Okay, this is a video to show you a technique for removing those puzzle locks in the case that you've lost your lock removal socket, or as in my case, somebody used an impact wrench on it at the store and there's no teeth left in the socket, so it won't work. First thing you need to do is buy a 12-point socket, not a 6-point, a 12-point socket that will just barely not fit onto the top of the puzzle lock. Next, you take a blowtorch and you heat the socket. Not too red hot, but too reasonably hot. This will take a minute. That should do. Now, do not touch the socket. I recommend a pair of pliers. Put the socket so it's just about started and drive it on. Now, knowing that things that are cold contract, we'll now cool it. That was the bare hand. Now we'll use the rubber glove covered hand. It doesn't have to be stone cold. It just has to be cooled back down to roughly room temperature. Now it is solidly locked on. Take your 1/2-inch power bar. And voila, off it comes. The final stage, take a punch, open a vise so that the lock nut fits through but the socket does not. Use a sledgehammer and drive it out of the socket. And there you have it, quite easily done.